Welcome back, my beautiful people. For today's video, I'm showing you the most flawless, perfect, beginner-friendly foundation routine ever. So let's get started. First things first, aside from brows, which I do have a separate video for, but you want to make sure you have the perfect skincare routine. I cannot stress this enough. Let's zoom in. Yes, baby, moisturize, hydrated. We love to see it. And this is what your base should be looking at prior to your application. Of course, all the products will be in the description box for you guys. And when I said these are the best, these are the best of the best. I literally been perfecting this routine forever now. So when you see the flashback test at the end, yeah, just know I did that. Also, we just have to appreciate that shade match. Like, are you kidding me? It is so natural, like it's insane. Always my go-to foundation, especially when I gotta kill it. Pop off, pop my ish. Also, a tip I learned over these years, whether it's your foundation or concealers, that you do want to do patting motions instead of swiping. That just gives you such a more seamless blend overall, and you'll just notice me doing that for the most part. Squeeze all that excess water out, girl, before you ruin your base. But once again, patting versus swiping, which is why I love me a beauty blender, because it just gets the job done perfectly every time, as long as it's clean. And it is multi-useful, so I do love using it for powders as well. I do end up mixing both of my favorite setting powders because bomb plus bomb equals bomber, question mark. But no, literally, it's just because I don't have the Honey by Laura, so I just mix up both of them because Huda is more melanin friendly and no flashback. And as you can see, when I do apply my setting powder, I like to press it into my skin, and I just tap on the back of my hand as Miss Jackie Aina taught me so that I don't take too much. I do want to point out that I skipped the cream bronzer step because let's just normalize knowing our face shape and what works and what doesn't. If you do see me do cream bronzer, it is most likely for entertainment purposes, for, you know, TikTok and stuff. But personally, I just like to bronze to bring the color back. And you are going to see me use a second palette just to create some layering effects with my bronzers. I feel like it comes out really pretty and extremely natural. And sometimes the ABH just doesn't give what it needs to give, sorry. I'm not really a nose contouring or bronzing girl, but I do like to do it lightly. And the only tip I can provide is the one I got from Eros MUA on IG. If you know, you know. Just bring it up to your eyebrows. It helps bring everything together. Now we're going in with the cream blush. This has been my latest favorite by Merit Beauty, just because it's so easy to blend and very, very pigmented. Then I'm going with my Eyeliner blush right on top. I do mix two of those shades, as you saw. And when I apply my blush, I do bring it all the way up to my temples, like above my forehead, and on my nose just a tad bit. All the pretty girls know. Also, the top of this broke, so I had to replace it in my own way. But anyways, we are setting our face now with one of my favorite setting sprays and using our beauty blender at the end of it where it's clean to push it in to really help it stick, lock it in. It will make a huge difference, I promise. Instead of spraying and just letting it air dry, press it in, boom, press it in. And I do want to mention that I set my face with the spray minimum twice, minimum, because doing that throughout your whole base will prolong the longevity of it and also give you that natural flawless look. So yeah, quick FYI. And as for my eyeliner, I'm just gonna have a tutorial for it because y'all ain't ready. Y'all is not ready. Boom. We love us some creamy lip pencils. Thank you, Alamar. Once again, always a hit. And we did do that little lip contour thingy. I doubt or even think it works, but I just wanted to do it, you know, just in case. Why not? And I don't remember this lipstick, but it'll be in the description. Yeah. It's crazy that this video is actually going to be so much shorter than I had imagined. But anyways, we put back our beauty marks and we create a fake one because pretty girls just do that. And what do? Set again. You know it. I'm just not understanding why I'm breaking my neck, but then I remembered that the top I replaced it with actually shoots it out so much stronger. Yo, it's a struggle, but yeah, work with me here, you know? And right now we're just setting our under eyes and our small line area with that Charlotte Tilbury, and then layering with that Dragon Beauty. This gives you that perfect kind of slight bright under eye look, but just perfecting my craft. But in all honesty, I really love it because it gives that smoothing kind of blur Facetune effect, and I love it for my smile lines because it eliminates those fine lines and also hydrates my skin at the same time. So overall, this is just like the perfect finishing touch, which is in the name, Airbrush Flawless Finish. Hello. And just wait till the hair come out because we already looking bad, but now better. Hello. Hello, transition, hello. And now just to put a little icing on the cake, we're just gonna use this ColourPop Soul just to give our skin that nice beautiful glow. And this product smells good, y'all. Thank you for sending it to me. And voila, here is the final look, the final base, perfect and flawless as I promised. And also we'll show you guys what it looks like outdoors so you know it's real, and also the flashback camera test. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.